Yo, nigga, MZ in the house.
This is a bike check, bitch.
My bike right here. This is my setup, nigga. Man, I'm running that Hoffman bonnet. Nah, I got that volume mystery machine like Scooby-Doo. I got that Primo, like you said, that profile with that shadow and that fit down low sprocket, nigga. That shit tight.
This shit
like,
is tight.
Like my butt's like hitting my frame and stuff, but that's okay.
That shit is cute, nigga.
I got them red line cranks.
Hell yeah.
A shadow combo seat, dark blue on accident. I got premium PC pedals that haven't snapped yet, and I'm not sure how. I got KHE black forks, kind of gay. I got premium headset with the amber stem, and I got fit Iman bars with super soft ODI grips, cause my grips gotta be soft, you know.
Hell yeah.
I got Duo Stunner tires. I got Primo Balance front rim laced to profile mini hubs. And that's my bike, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
MZ out.